Okay, so for our final video in this series, we're going to cover the just like a little add-on that we thought we'd put in so that you can really truly understand that snapshot of how you compete in this market, in your market. So again, by tracking signals, we're identifying what is relevant today, not what was relevant yesterday, 3, 6, 12 months ago, or even 5 years ago. We're tracking what is actually closing in the market and what type of language, what type of activities that the agencies and the companies you're targeting, what is happening in their world, how are they making decisions, and how is their decision-making process evolving, okay? So what we looked at is really base level competitor insights. So that's where do you win, where do you lose, and plays that will actually swing the momentum from losses to wins. As you know, a higher win rate, no matter what you're doing in your go-to-market strategy, a higher win rate will make everything worth more. And it will allow you to invest less or invest more wisely into things that actually work. So leveraging the No Vendors GTM playbook, you're able to identify key areas where you're able to win and tip just that little bit over so that you can win more and be invited to more tables to even have the opportunity to win. So I hope this is very helpful for you. We have two very key opportunities for you to actually leverage the information we're giving you with the live ICP. And number one is you can get a more detailed, in-depth live ICP score. What you're seeing today is built based on only what the system provides and what we've found online ourselves, not talking to you. If you click Get My Live ICP Score, we will work with you and take your closed won, closed loss, opportunity data, and a lot of other information from stakeholders within your company to create a true live ICP that matches what's actually happening internally just as much as what's happening externally. So that's something that we want to help you with. Another one is if you already are confident you have the information, you have the signals that you're looking for, and you already have that ICP that just works every time, you may be interested in learning how to brush up your signal-oriented selling capabilities. Maybe just your outreach selling capabilities. Well, if so, I'd like to invite you to join us at Office Hours, which is a weekly session. A nice group of us, switched on group, come together and trade stories, trade signals, and how we can actually get more out of our outbound sales, our marketing, and any type of campaign with signal-oriented selling. So it's a little bit of skills, it's a little bit of gamemanship, it's a little bit of live coaching, anything that you can do to learn how to be a better seller and close more deals and be invited to more deal opportunities is my goal and our goal here at Outbound SOS. So I hope you join us for one of these two amazing opportunities. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.